Hey, it's Stephanie with Essential Oil Life with Stephanie, and today, continuing in our theme of the month of love, we are making a breath freshening spray. Let's be honest, you're going in for that kiss, the last thing you want to do is breathe a fume on them. So this is going to make sure that you are always prepared for true love's kiss. So super simple recipe, guys, as well. So this is a 1 ounce glass spray bottle, and all you're gonna do is add 2 drops of either spearmint, peppermint, or cinnamon. We voted in the studio today, and we are going with spearmint. That's it. And then all you're gonna do is fill it with distilled water. Super, super simple. So this would make a really fun gift as well to give away. And all you do is put the spray cap on, shake it, open your mouth, and spray away. This is the Take My Breath Away breath freshener, and I'm actually gonna give it away for you guys because I love you and it's the month of love. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to this channel, Essential Oil Life with Stephanie, and you have 2 options to comment today. Either comment and tell me the name of your first kiss, or tell me which you would have picked, spearmint, peppermint, or cinnamon to add to your breath freshener.